welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a simple Mexican style rice today. We're going to be using a rice cooker. It's going to be super simple and delicious, so let's get right to work. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so every time we upload a new video you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. Okay, so let's go over the ingredients really quick. I have 2 cups of, this is actually medium grain white rice that has been washed and dried. Actually it's 3 cups, I'm sorry. It's 3 cups of white rice. I have 3 cups of vegetable broth, and because I'm using the Aroma rice cooker, my ratio is 1:1. If you were using a pot on the stove, it would be 2 cups of water per cup of rice. But because I'm using a rice cooker, the ratio is different. So we're using 1:1. Keep that in mind. If you're using a rice cooker, it's going to be a 1:1 ratio because it evaporates the water faster. I'm also using about 3/4 of a cup of organic tomato sauce, 1/4 cup of minced cilantro, 1 diced Roma tomato, 5 cloves of finely minced fresh garlic, organic chili powder, and this is actually just chili powder. This is not the spice chili powder where they put, cumin and other things in it to make chili. This is actually just heat. This is all it is. About 1/3 of a big lime. This is probably about 1/2 of a regular size lime, and I'm going to add this at the end just for a little bit of sourness and freshness. Cumin, about 1/4 teaspoon to 1/3 of a teaspoon, and 1/2 of a red onion diced. Also sea salt to taste. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to our Aroma rice cooker, and I'll talk a little bit about that. Alright, this is the Aroma 20 cup cooked rice cooker. It actually makes 20 cups of cooked rice. This one is the Aroma Plus Professional, and basically it has all these different types of settings on here. You cook quinoa, white rice, brown rice, sushi rice. Also can keep stuff warm. You can do oatmeal. What we're going to use it for right now is we're going to use the saute function first for this rice. And then it's starting right now. So I already kind of like preheated it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. You could add whatever oil you like. Okay, so I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Into that I'm going to go in with the onion. Alright, once we have the onion softened up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add in the garlic. Stir that in a little bit. On the garlic to release those oils. After this, we're going to go ahead and add in the tomato. Now we're going to let this saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. That tomato breaks down a bit, and then we're going to come back and add more ingredients. Alright, so now that the tomato has broken down, we're going to go ahead and add in tomato sauce. About 1/4 to 1/3 of a teaspoon of cumin. Gonna add in the chili powder for a little bit of heat. Sea salt. In with the rice. Stir it in. The broth. Make sure there's nothing stuck to the sides. This is what I love about a rice cooker. I just shut this off. I come over here and I basically just reset this and go over to white rice. White rice setting. And now it's going to start counting down to cook that white rice. Perfectly fluffy and beautiful without having any worries or having to really watch it close like you do with a regular conventional way. So basically we'll come back when this thing beeps and we'll see what that rice looks like. Alright, so the timer went off. We're going to go ahead and check in on our rice. Look how beautiful that looks. Wow. Just beautiful. Smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and serve this and give it a taste for you guys, let you know how it came out. Alright guys, so here is our beautiful Mexican rice. It came out really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and squirt just a little bit of lime juice right over the top. I'm gonna hit it with some cilantro. Now I have here a little bit of kale, arugula, and tomato, just in a simple vinaigrette with the extra virgin olive oil and some lime also. And I have some parsley on that, and I'm gonna finish it off by adding a little bit of refried beans. And I'm just gonna add a little bit there in the corner, and then I'm gonna mix the rice in with that, and that's gonna give me an amazing flavor with this sourness of the lime and the salad also with the vinegar and the salt. It's gonna be really delicious when you have that total combination. Beautiful looking plate. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give this amazing smelling rice a taste. I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the beans. Get a little bit of the salad in there. Wow. The fresh cilantro on the rice with a mixture of lime and the underlying flavor of the cumin. It adds so much flavor when you combine all of them together with the beans. The beans already have seasoning of their own, a good amount of cumin in them, and they really add a delicious flavor to the whole thing, to the rice. Super easy to make, loaded with protein. Great recipe for anyone.